Welcome to Foto Trippin. In this episode, your photographer and intrepid traveler, Rene, takes you to his favorite Canary island, the land of fire, Lanzarote. So sit back, relax, get yourself some popcorn, and enjoy.
You're watching Rene Brun, the official channel.
When in Lanzarote, Rene stays in the northeast of the island in a quiet resort by the name of Costa Teguise. It is a lovely small town surrounded by beaches and just a 45-minute cycle to the capital, as well as the stratified city, which is coming up later in the video. The area has a lovely natural lagoon, which fills at high tide and traps lots of fish in its waters. It is located at Jabillo Beach, great for family and friends, soak up the sun, and then take a dip in its crystal clear waters and watch the fish swim about. Next up, our photographer takes a 15-kilometer cycle inland and gets caught in some high winds as he heads to the stratified city. Los Roferos, also called Stratified City or Antigua Rofera, is an abandoned quarry with amazing rock structures that photographers will love. And you will find tunnels and arches and caves in volcanic rock carved out over millions of years. It looks like a place on a planet you would see on Star Trek.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe?
Welcome to Arrecife, the capital of Lanzarote. Approximately 45-minute cycle from Costa Teguise, You can rock up on the bike, enjoy an ice-cold beer, and head out and take some photographs before heading to our next destination, a location on my bucket list and home to a legend of the silver screen. Cycling northwest from the city, Renee takes a lonely, dusty road before hitting the main roads to Nazareth, the town where Hollywood legend and Egyptian actor Omar Sharif had his home. The home itself is built into the side of a volcanic mountain, with some rooms being in actual caves. You are given a map at the entrance, which you will need, and the cost of entry is just €10, and you can stay as long as you want. An interesting story about the home is that Omar was a gambler, as well as one of the best bridge players in the world. One of the ladies at the golf club I work at, her uncle, used to play bridge with him, and apparently Omar lost the house in a bridge game 2 days after moving in. Anyhow, my only disappointment was the gift shop only sold Lanzarote gifts and knickknacks. No Omar photos or gifts, which was a letdown. Well, I hope you enjoyed the first episode of Foto Trippin. Make sure you like and subscribe for my videos on photography and drone videos, as well as future episodes of Foto Trippin. Remember, people, stay beautiful.